Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by parking the Ram 1500 on level ground, engage the parking brake, and block the rear wheels. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts while the truck is still on the ground, then raise the front with a 2-ton jack and support the frame with 2-ton jack stands. Remove the wheel to access the upper ball joint and knuckle assembly. Wear eye protection and gloves throughout. Keep a torque wrench set to 120 ft-pounds for the wheel lug nuts when reinstalling the wheel. Begin by removing the cotter pin and the upper ball joint retaining nut, then back the nut off but do not discard until the joint is free. Use a ball joint separator or a hydraulic press. A ball joint press rated for 2-ton capacity makes removal clean and protects the knuckle. If using a hammer, avoid striking the stud directly against the knuckle edge. Once separated, press the old ball joint out of the control arm and inspect the control arm bore, and dust boot for wear or corrosion. Install the replacement upper ball joint by pressing it squarely into the control arm bore using a ball joint press. Avoid cocking the joint. Install the retaining nut and tighten to the factory specification listed in the service manual, then install a new cotter pin through the castle nut. Grease the fitting with 1 full pump from a grease gun if the joint has a Zerk fitting. Reinstall the wheel, torque the lug nuts to 120 ft-pounds, lower the truck from jack stands, and perform a short road test at low speed to confirm correct operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.